All you moonshiners, if you want to hear about the kind of booze that
I thought I'd stop and share with you just another quick recipe. This will only take a minute. Okay, it's really similar to the one we did here. You can see that one. That's the light whiskey recipe. This is a variation of that. And in this, what I did was this is 21 liters. I took 21 liters of water and I heated it up to about 150 degrees. Now, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to sterilize the water, so I added 3 Camden tablets, crushed them up and added those in there to sterilize the water in preparation to make one of these. Now, in that, what I did was I put in 3 pounds of sugar, or 1.3 kilograms, and then I added about 2 or 3 liters of hot water, and I got that mixed up really good. At that point, I added my yeast nutrient. Okay, 2 heaping tablespoons of yeast nutrient. I got that in there. And then I added some more water. And then I added 1.8 kilograms or 4 pounds of dry malt extract. And that is the light dry malt extract. And I got that all mixed up. And then I kind of topped everything off. But I also added in there, just like the other recipe, I added 2 of those bottles of corn syrup and then 14 ounces or 400 milliliters of maple syrup. I adjusted the pH. Then, of course, I added the yeast after it cooled down to 100 degrees. Right as it dropped below 100 degrees, I added the yeast and I let them sit here, and they are going absolutely batshit crazy. And it smells wonderful. It's a remarkable odor. And we're looking forward to, of course, running these just like we are going to do the other one too. So I thought I'd share that with you. So if you're interested, give this one a try. I think you'll be really pleasantly surprised at how nice it turns out. Happy distilling.
all you moonshiners, if you want to hear about the kind of booze that they sell around here. Made a way back in top of them hills where there's plenty of moonshine still. Well, but don't give a darn for your false sweat law and your prohibition